all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing ribeye tacos or ribeye street tacos. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get you some ribeye steak and get those cut extremely thin. Now you don't have to do this, you can cut them thin after you cook them, but getting them this way makes it a lot easier. So you see these guys are paper thin and they're gonna be so tender and juicy. Just continue to watch. All right, then we got some cilantro and we just gonna garnish with some cilantro at the end. Then we got a whole yellow onion. All right, from the yellow onion, we got 2 limes. Now, you can use more limes in this recipe if you like lime, but I'm using 2. Then we got some taco seasoning. If you need help making taco seasoning, I'll link my video down below to show you how to make taco seasoning. All right, then we got the street taco shells. Then we got a Fiesta blend cheese. And then we got our pink bistro sauce. And then our sour cream, well, buttermilk sour cream. Now, those 2 recipes you will not get. If you want to try those products, come to the bistro. We pop up often, and we got another big surprise here in the mix too. All right, so get the ribeyes in a bowl. Go on with some canola oil or your favorite oil of choice, a little salt, and then we're going on with our taco seasoning and some onions. And we're gonna get this thing massaged in. All right, from that taco, and you put how much taco seasoning on here you want. Like, this is low sodium taco seasoning, that's why you see me add the salt. All right, so I'm going on with some more taco seasoning, and from that taco seasoning we're going on with a whole lime. So I just cut a lime in half and then went in with the whole lime and just squeezed all that juice onto the steak. We're gonna let this steak hang out and marinate for about 15 minutes. The longer you marinate it, the more intense the flavors will be. But remember, you just put a lot of lime juice on this steak, and you don't want the lime juice to ceviche the steak. So 15 minutes should be perfect because you don't want that lime juice to cook the steak. You want to cook the steak in this oil. All right, then get your skillet going, and that's our Viking skillet there. I know you guys like that skillet. All right, get that going over medium-high heat with some canola oil just to coat the bottom. Remember, this is ribeye, so this is a fatty piece of meat, so it's going to create its own fat as well. But from there, you're going to go ahead and make sure every piece of this ribeye is touching the surface area of the skillet, and you're going to just let it hang out and just let it go for probably about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes, until you start getting some beautiful caramelization on there. Then you're going to go ahead and move it around in the pan, and then let the other part hit the surface area. All right, this meat cooked pretty quick because it is thin, and you don't want to overcook it because you want some tender meat. All right, from this point here, we're going to let it hang out in the back of the stove and rest with the stove off, and then we're going to go ahead and work on our tortillas. And I just heated them tortillas up just until they're pliable, and then I went on with as much ribeye meat as I possibly wanted. All right, from that ribeye meat, we're going on with some cheese, and that's our Fiesta blend cheese. Now, you can use cheddar, whatever cheese you want to use, but that's the cheese I use there. All right, from there, we're going on with some fresh onion, just julienne. Perfect. All right, and then we're going on with our pink bistro sauce. And from the pink bistro sauce, we're going on with our buttermilk sour cream, just to give us some tangy notes. All right, and then from the sour cream, we're going on with our cilantro, and you just put how much cilantro you want on there, just a breath of freshness mixed with those onions. Perfect combination there. All right, then we're gonna throw in some limes on the board, kind of like a taco charcuterie board. Then we throw in the cilantro on the back just for aesthetics, and there you have it, the most amazing ribeye street tacos from the bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. This is an awesome video, awesome recipe, and like I said, we got some big surprises coming up soon. I'll take you guys on a journey with me, but thank you for being on this journey with me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tacos from the bistro. I'm out.